As I said earlier, that these videos and podcasts are recorded with the idea of being real. And being real means talking about things that are difficult, talking about things which might be not so much society eccentric, talking about things which are close to your heart. And this conversation I had is with a very dear friend of mine, Mehzan, a beautiful soul, a brilliant actor, and above all, a very, very, very humble human being. I hope you enjoy this video as much as we enjoyed in making it. And it's a one shot video, no cuts, nothing, as real as it could be. So have fun, watch the video, and even if I change one life with it, I'm happy. Thank you so much. Hi, so on today's podcast, we have a very, very special guest. He and me go way back together when we just started off as actors. He's an actor producer, a very dear friend, and also someone who I really look up to and admire as well. So, welcome, Mehzan,
Thank you.
to the
Very,
podcast.
very kind words. Thank you so much. Thank you.
All are true. So, let's not beat around the bush. I would like to straight away get into stuff and you know जो थीम है मैं उसी पे रहना चाहूंगा लाइक how in podcast you talk about a lot of things. Yeah, but I would like to stick to that. So not beating around the bush. Tell me, when did you actually become conscious of your own body, and how was it? Was it in the positive sense or was it in the negative sense?
So I think it goes back to school. I used to be a Indian level shot putter.
I didn't know you.
Yeah. So
All right, you for me.
I know. So I used to be an Indian level shot putter. I was a professional athlete in that way. So I was very big. Maybe at school. I was what, 14, 15 years old. Uh, I was just tall, really broad, bulky guy.
At 14.
At 14 and 15 because there was a lot of weight training and all of that. So उस time पे obviously my friends back then, like in school, they were regular looking boys, the skinny, good looking, whatever, mixture of everything. Charming. And then there I was where, I was just big. My shoulders were broad, I had a chest, at that age, for a child to have muscles is rare. But I started working out, I think, when I was 10 or 11. Because I was an athlete, my coach back then. So that didn't hit me till I head to college because I was in Symbiosis Pune, where everybody is stripped out. Everybody in Symbiosis wants to wear the best of clothes, look the best.
Okay.
And I found it very hard to make friends in Symbiosis, mainly because, again, everybody had small groups of themselves, of their own. They made categories, The rich had their rich group. The heavier ones had their group. The skinnier ones, the guys who thought they were big Casanovas, they had their group. So I was completely misfit. I didn't know where to go because of my size. Everybody just thought I was this really muscular, giant type of boy who's come to college.
Okay.
So that's when I started thinking, yeah, if I have to pursue athletics and do this, तो मैं ऐसा ही. या तो फिर I have to hit the gym, lose weight, but not lose energy, not lose strength because it's a strength-based, short is a strength-based sport. So that's when it hit me here, if you have to please people and please society, you have to look good. But I was in a profession back then where I couldn't. So it kept playing in the back of my head. Eventually, I did Commonwealth and all of that, and nothing happened. I realized I didn't have future to the Olympics or whatever. So I realized, I have to lose weight because I was always not, it's not about confidence. I was confident. I was really confident actually because I was bigger, so I always thought, I got a mark on that. So that was there, but I just felt that, I'm not feeling great about it. Seeing others, and again, I was young. This is 17, 18.
Okay. Well, not that long a period.
No, not that long. Maybe in the span of 4-5 years, I realized, I have to lose that weight. I have to, not for acting, not for any, I didn't know whether I'm going to get into acting. But just to be a part of everybody, be a part of the crowd, of the good-looking crowd, of the crowd that looks physically fit and appearing, that women like. I just wanted to get there. So that's when it started. Only did I realize later that it doesn't make sense now. Because now
Maturity comes with age.
maturity comes with age. So then I realized that it wasn't confidence is not what do you call it? Confidence is not measured in size. Confidence is never measured in size. That's what I realized over time. You can be big, but you can be really confident. Most of my closest friends who are big, they are confident as hell. They think that, and they're smart, and they have a sense of humor. So it's all these things that make a difference, and not, as I said, confidence is not measured in size. So that's what happened later in life. I realized that later.
Alright. So basically, your first, or I would say, motivation was to get validation from the opposite,
Correct.
rather than any other thing. I would say.
Correct.
When did you realize that this wasn't it?
I realized this wasn't it. Again, with age, I don't remember specific time. In fact, no, actually, I do. I did a show called 2 Kilo Frame.
I don't.
Where I put on, I think, 25 kilos than what
I was going to come on to it later, but ठीक है.
अच्छा, तो बाद में
Then we अभी बात करते
तो ये तो when I was doing that, I had to put on weight for that show, and I did it, and I was nervous. I was nervous because मैं यही सोच रहा था कि अगर मैंने weight put on कर लिया, I know the procedure of losing it because I have done it from college. Like I've gone whatever, I was starving, exercising, all of it, keto बोल दो, intermittent बोल दो, सब कर चुका है, हाँ, सब कर चुके हैं. तब मुझे लगा यार मैं weight तो put on कर रहा हूँ शो के लिए, मैं कम कैसे हो? फिर obviously because the role demanded it and the producer too, तो मैंने कर दिया. That procedure of putting on weight, I was very scared. But when I reached my 101, 102, and I went on set, I was amazed. I felt amazing. Like I felt that I am so comfortable in my skin right now. Like I don't want to go back. Let's do that shit. I don't want to go back. I am happy the way I am. So that's when I realized that again, confidence is not in size. It's your, like, it's your, you have to give your body love here. Your body's carried you since you're a kid. If it's changing with time, okay, you have to. I'm not saying obesity or something is a good thing, but health and being big, two different things, man. You can be a large size man but have great health in that way. So उस time पे, I think during the 2 Kilo Frame, I love myself back. But again, I had to lose it for my profession. But yeah, that is the moment I think I realized that, it is the way I am and I'm happy about it.
So, when going back to 2 Kilo Frame diets, you were big. You see me also.
Yeah. I've seen you like really skinny, really big.
Like thin as how it can be and big as how it can be. But for me, it was a different journey. For you, it's a different journey. I want to know कि कभी लगा किसी ने कुछ डायलॉग मारा हो या किसी ने sometimes something that somebody says stays with you. I'm not talking in the positive sense. I'm talking obviously in the negative sense, which made you little what do you call, ashamed is not the right word, but a little negative about your own self. And how did you cope up with it?
Yeah, I think this is a very personal way of taking it. In a way where I think it happens more while growing up when you're kids and you're in college. जब लोग आपको बोलते हैं मोटे, इंसान है गेंडे. That's when it hits you as shit. People are exciting. With age, I've realized when somebody calls, like as friends we call each other, mota ho gaya, jo bhi hai. It doesn't hit you now. But I think in that phase where you're growing up and people keep saying it and bullying you, it ruins your confidence. It ruins it. It destructs you somewhere. It destroys you somewhere. So I don't think these words can help in any way. So a lot of people who go through these words on a daily basis, I think they should just stay away from people and groups and social media pages or whatever who really screw with your head and tell you, okay, you're not doing well. I think you can get up every day and no matter what you are, who you are, what color you are, you have to tell yourself, yeah, I'm not looking 100% today. Maybe if I start, I will get this up.
Fair.
But you have to treat it with love. I mean, why do you want to treat your body harshly?
How? I agree with what you're saying, but also sometimes I feel it's easier said than done.
100%. That's also because, see, it's a very subjective topic. if I say कि अरु यार तू इतना मोटा हो गया है,
But honestly तूने कभी बोला नहीं
नहीं मैंने कभी
चाहे मेरा वेट पुट ऑन भी हो
नहीं अभी क्लोज फ्रेंड्स तो बोल नहीं सकते. अगर मैं तुझे बोल भी दिया कि अरे यार तू बहुत मोटा हो गया, यू माइट टेक इट इन अ वे कि यार साला इंसल्ट करके गया है, और यू माइट टेक इट इन अ वे कि यार हाँ यार मैं मोटा तो हो गया हूँ, मेरे जान तो खास है,
हाँ
उसको करना पड़ेगा. अब वो करना पड़ेगा ऑन यू,
of course
दैट नो मैटर हाउ मच बुलिंग, वो तुम खुद ही कर सकते हो.
of course
That nobody is going to come and take you to the gym till you hit it or till you go for your walks or till you control your diet. You're not going to get that. But I believe, even the way you are or the way I am, bro, if you're confident in it, stick to it, man. Get a F to the word, stick to it.
because I remember we have never worked out together, but we have talked a lot about working out as such. Like, you know, you have your own way of working out, I have my own, you have your experience and all. Is there something that you feel a kind of a workout or a kind of a, you know, a diet or a weight loss which makes you feel more positive about your body? Or it's in general a feeling like what I'm trying to say is for somebody who wants to start off, how would he, what would he look for and how would he achieve that?
Yeah, there are hundreds of
There are hundreds of methods.
methods.
But I want to know what, in your perspective, is the best one.
See, I think the most valid and not scientific, but I mean the most valid common thing that a layman
Huh.
could do,
हाँ,
I feel is calorie deficit.
fair.
बेसिक है कि आप इतना खाओगे तो इतना बढ़ेगा, इतना खाओगे इतना बढ़ेगा. So if you're having whatever, if you're having 4,000 or 5,000 calories a day, you are going to put on weight unless you're burning it. But if you're eating 5,000 and burning 2,000, so you're putting on the 3,000 extra.
Correct.
So according to me, calorie deficit is the most simple and not simple तो नहीं है क्योंकि you have to count everything.
Yeah.
तो उसमें मगजमारी बहुत. But I think that is a diet that everybody can do. Also, it is something where आप सब कुछ खा सकते हो. अगर आपको आज चीट करना है, आपको आज पिज्जा खाना है, which is heavy on
That's
calories,
it, yeah.
तो आप दोपहर का खाना स्किप करके रात को खा लो, या दोपहर को पिज्जा खा लो, रात को चुपचाप पानी पी के सो जाओ, या फिर whatever, have some sprouts or whatever it is. But I think that diet is not like a keto, जहाँ पे आपको rice छोड़ना है, bread छोड़ना है, sugar
You're
छोड़ना है.
more strict.
Yeah, which is the most strict. Also, it's not easily available, especially where we live. You know, keto diet. Even I remember जब मैंने मम्मी को बोला था, मम्मी मैं keto कर रहा हूँ. मैं keto क्या है?
Ah,
मम्मी keto ये होता है, मैं ब्रेड नहीं खाऊंगा, मैं गेहूं नहीं खाऊंगा, रोटी वोटी सब बंद, चावल बंद, शुगर बंद. मम्मी दुनिया में बेटा एक काम कर तो अपना ही कुक रख ले और खुद ही बना ले. मैं बनाऊं क्या मैं? You know, I was like, मम्मी बस वही है, सोया पनीर चिकन basic greens. I'm like, you one man, just eat everything I have. तो ऐसा रहा है, ये तो नहीं समझ रहा हमारे साथ.
I remember from my Punjabi mother when की होती है कीटो ऐसे कौन घी और बटर खा के पतले होते हैं.
Exactly. So for my mom also keto was a strange word. तो बाकी सारी diets में से I think a calorie deficit or calorie count, as they say it, is the right way to go according to me. Like it works for me. I think it's easier. You can eat everything. चंगा.
You change your lifestyle in a way. You should do it.
Obviously, everything. वो थोड़े sacrifices तो सर.
Of course, कुछ पाना तो कुछ देना तो पड़ेगा. There's a yin to the yang.
Exactly.
Okay, so has there been any role or which you said no to
Because of weight.
after 2.5 kilo brain? Because of weight or because of a certain kind of a body type they wanted?
मुझे मिले ही नहीं है. नहीं seriously, यदि 2.5 किलो खत्म हुआ और उसके बाद I was obviously overweight
हाँ.
for my height and body. I was big. तो कुछ मिला ही नहीं उसके बाद. Like I wasn't offered a role that needed me to be in that body. So I think I took a good 5 or 6 months to shed that weight.
I
उसके बाद
know.
उसके बाद but the cravings, man. Like at one point you have to stick to a weight. So I was eating everything. और फिर तुरंत शो मुझे याद है जब नोटिस आया था ना शो का कि शो बंद हो गया. तो मैं रूम में जाके रोया. मैं रोया इस वजह से नहीं रोया कि काम रुक जाएगा. मैं इसी वजह से रोया कि अब समोसे रुक जाएंगे यार. अब मेरा मतलब पानी पूरी रुक जाएगा. अब मेरे पिज्जे रुक जाएंगे. मतलब all of that. I was crying. Hey, shit, the show is ending and I have to go on a strict diet. So that made me like, no, I love food, man. So, yeah.
See, for like I said, we were discussing about body positivity the other day also, and it's all about acceptance, right? Was there an incident, or when did you actually accept? Like right now, you said that when you were big, you became small. Again, 2.5 kilo when you were big, you were small. I want to know that one point of time in your life where you were like, fuck it यार, यार ठीक है, जैसा मेरे को बताना मैं खुश हूँ, मेरे को बताना हूँ. मतलब when did you accept your present in terms of your body?
I think during Daikilo.
During that.
During Daikilo. Like I remember Daikilo के शुरुआत में when I put on, I used to go back home. I had to buy new clothes.
Of course.
सारे shirts, t-shirts सब.
कुछ
तो वो भी बुरा लगता है कि यार सारे कपड़े वेस्ट हो गए. But then you keep on thinking कि एक दिन
एक दिन वापस आऊंगा. Like I still have my 32 ways.
I'm sure because I've seen you in the 32 ways. I have actually seen you and I've seen you in the tight jackets also. I've seen you in all of that.
मेरे को वहाँ पहुँचना है.
हाँ, तो वो सारे तो अलग अलमारी में रखे हुए थे. But I remember going back home one day from shoot, just whatever, going for a bath, looking at myself in the mirror, and I'm like, man, I've put out some weight here. I'm like, chuck it, I'm good. I used to go. That was the acceptance only during the show.
Okay. अब इसी के अगर first पूछे, has there been any time when you have not liked it at all, or you just enjoyed the whole thing?
I enjoyed the journey, but not liked it was again when it ended. When it ended, when again in college, when I had to lose all the weight just to fit into the crowd, I hated it because of the sacrifices you're doing. Similar with the show. Show ended, I had to make the sacrifices. That time I didn't like it because, see, our profession, at least me with my looks and my profession, the field I am in, I think it's become a prerequisite.
Yeah.
Like, let's talk about it. Today,
चल, आज बात करते.
आज बात करते.
चल.
अब, when they want hero का best, for example, there are two types of hero के best. Either a
One, type A, type B.
ना वही
दोनों यहाँ पर
हाँ this पंजाबी looking boy ये होता है या तो फिर सर हम लोग को एक कैरेक्टर फेस चाहिए. अब कैरेक्टर फेस वो वर्ड होता है. बेसिकली उनको चाहिए a fat boy. They want a big boy.
Yeah.
अब if I become big, right now we are in competition.
No.
Correct? I fit a different space category. You fit a different category. Why can't you lead a show today or lead a film? पुराने ज़माने नहीं होते. Which old actor you know? I'm talking about the late Rishi Kapoor.
Prithviraj Kapoor,
All
Rishi Kapoor, Shammi
all of them
Kapoor,
are good-looking faces, full of charm and wealth and shines. None of them were these chiseled, like good-looking, fit kind of bodybuilder men.
कोई नहीं था.
It just got into fashion. That went out of fashion, and this has come back into fashion. And as they say, we have to live, as the time progresses. So yeah, it's a sad truth. But I would love to see you leading a film.
I would have to see myself leading a film.
Exactly.
Because honestly speaking, I always feel कि जो हम लोग should not do it. Typecasted actor, हम लोग एक category of actors हैं. We don't come from industry or nepotism. I will not say it. अगर मैं business करूँ, मेरा बेटा ही business को lead करे.
Agreed, I completely.
I
I'm for that.
हाँ.
The दो actor के बेटे actor में बने होंगे क्या?
Trampling.
Exactly.
Because they are born and they know how to carry.
Of course.
They are much more well media trained at 10 than what we would be at our peak.
100%.
You know,
You're seeing their fathers every day. Like how we are seeing our mom dad go to business and come back.
Yeah. So keeping that part aside, and people say कि script का नहीं होता, ये नहीं होता, वो नहीं होता. I always feel that actors are the worst critics for their own physiques,
True.
for their own bodies.
Very true.
मैं मोटा हूँ, मेरे को काम मिल रहा है. तो दूसरा बोलता है मैं भी मोटा इसलिए काम मिल रहा है.
मैं भी मोटा है.
मैं भी मोटा. So has this pressure come at you ever, or you were comfortable in this so-called category that we as have been put out?
Yeah, I have sadly never been in that category. Even when I was overweight, I was never called for that category because people didn't relate. आज भी लोग मुझे देखते ही रहते हैं क्योंकि 2.5 किलो वही पॉपुलर शो देखते हैं सोचते हैं and then you're like आप नहीं. So they can't relate because I look different.
Of course.
है ना. तो I was not. No, I've never been put into this category, but I don't know why these categories exist. Like it's very annoying, and I go through it every day. So I tell you, mera journey. I do a lot of television. I love doing TV. I think it's the best school for acting.
Arey,
It is
every day is a masterclass.
every day is a master class. You get your script last minute, so if you read so many lines last minute, so many scenes, so many emotions, so many everything is complex, you know. And
Oh, sorry to cut you off, but I still remember the first time I started doing TV. I was like, चल क्या है?
exactly. चल क्या रहा है happens every day. मैं आज भी आ रहा हूँ, मैं सुबह जाता हूँ, मैं बोलूँ चल क्या यार इतने सीन है, कैसे होगा, फट 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 हो जाता है. I'm crying in one scene, I'm laughing in the other, I'm dancing in the third. So then it's a film in a day.
Yeah.
So TV has this formula where they require these really good-looking chiseled people. Also because they have ultra close-ups, so they want to see good-looking faces,
Of course.
chiseled jawlines, all of that.
तो फिर वो frame भी उतना ही है ना?
So exactly. So I go through that almost every time I'm auditioning for a new show. Casting wala, I send an audition out. Casting wala मुझे call करता है. सर फेस पे थोड़ा फैट लगा है. बोला तो सर नहीं थोड़ा और आपको चिजल डाउन करना है. I don't get it. I don't. So this pressure of losing more weight or sticking to my level of weight now is every day. But I now started taking it easy. Initially I used to think a lot, worry a lot. Oh, worry में कई बार कचरा खा लेना. You know, when you're stressed, you kind of binge watch, binge eat, comfort food लगता ही है. I've stopped that now. I'm like, ठीक है यार, I've gone for a trip, थोड़ा मोटा हुआ हूँ. You know, ठीक है, फेस्टिवल है, दिवाली है, गणपति है, मीठा खा लूँगा यार, मोटा हो जाऊँगा, ठीक है, I'll reduce.
How did it change for you? जैसे हम बोलते हैं honestly, यार छोड़ दे, यार carry on, move on. You know, all these words are very easier said. But how did it change for you? From that person who worries कि यार काम नहीं मिल रहा because ऐसा है, ये है, ऐसा है, to a person मिल जाए.
You're asking काम मिलना was that change or the weight?
The weight. काम करे, but I'm saying काम is also part of it.
Right.
ऐसा नहीं कि काम part of it नहीं रहता है. For actors especially चलता ही है. Like Lee Berry on the side, my mom told me कि you're not camera ready है. मैं मन में बोलता अच्छा ठीक है. Well, coming from mom, it takes a वो एक थप्पड़ है जो बिना मारे पड़ता है.
Correct.
And then I was like, she's right. मुझे 10 किलो डाउन और हो जाऊँ तो शायद कैमरा रेडी बेटर हो.
Correct.
You know, acceptability ज़्यादा हो. But
Right.
leaving that, वो तो एक कहते हैं ना, you need those reassurances. But reality checks. But coming to you, कि when this self journey of yours happened, कि यार थोड़ा फैट है कोई बात नहीं. I know what time it is.
Yeah, I think it's all in the head, yeah. If you convince your head and your heart and they're aligned and you know ना क्या भी ये करना है. It's like quitting smoking.
हाँ.
I don't think anybody has quit smoking कि मैं आज 20 पी रहा हूँ, मैंने कम कर दिया, मैंने दिन के 5 ही. आगे जाके दिन का no. One party goes for 40.
Yeah.
And the 20 a day will start again. Eating comfort food, बाहर का खाना is exactly it's an addiction. It's all in the head. Yeah. I think you have to just, apart from having health problems and all of that, because of which people put on and all, that's a separate story. But if you're really just eating rubbish and putting on weight, then it's a matter of your head and your heart. If you convince your head that, Baba, I'm not camera friendly right now, I have to shut this, I have to start following a schedule, and I have to get there. I think it's all in your head. Like I did it only the power of my भूख लगी है. From 102 straight reducing back to 80 in a matter of 4 to 5 months, 20 kilos, not easy. It's not easy, man. Like you to know it only, but it's not easy.
Bro, I went to 180.
Are you serious?
I didn't meet anyone during that time. My depressive phase was like
180?
I had thyroid issues. Came there. Now I'm back to 120s. You know, but those 60 kilos of 1.5 year journey. Like now you see me after.
Yeah. Okay.
Right. So वो 1.5 साल की मेरी जर्नी बन जाती. तो उसमें that is why the podcast idea also came about कि यार everyone shows before and after. बीच का जो है उसके बारे में तो क्यों नहीं बात करता. Like this was my question to you after this that ये मुझे 21 किलो 22 किलो 23 किलो 6 महीने का टाइम है. How did you cope up with it? Because it's not easy.
It's very difficult. It's very difficult.
And उस time पे being positive about your body नहीं होगा. Saying my body is looking good. How is
It's very
possible?
difficult because your heart, your body asks for sugar, asks for food, asks for that dessert. And also, see, food makes a person happy. At least us. People who are foodies, food makes us happy.
Yeah.
आज अगर कोई मुझे बोले ना अब रात को जाके खाना नहीं खा सकते. Just thinking about it will make me grumpy.
Yeah.
So I used to have massive, what do you call, uh, anger fits, irritation होती थी बहुत. But it's something where you just drink a cold glass of water and say बस शांत हो जाए थोड़ा टाइम. Once you get back, very difficult. The journey is very, very difficult. I don't want to think about those 6 months of my life. मतलब मैं मेरी हालत खराब हो गई थी. I won't lie. But if I can do it, like I'm a guy who cheats regularly
I know.
on food. If I could do it, I think anyone can.
Okay. Fair enough. Because I also say कि यार मैं 120 से 82 पे आया हूँ. फिर मैं you have seen my journey. It's not that.
I have.
मतलब what I'm saying is you're the one
I think
person.
I've seen you in when you were 84, 86, something like that.
हाँ.
You were really like
Like
perfectly right.
82 with 4 bag going on.
हाँ.
Well, you've seen me that.
I've seen you, yeah.
And then
Back
उसके
then.
बाद हाँ उसके बाद फिर मोटा हुआ फिर पतला हुआ
Yeah.
फिर मोटा हो गया. That is what I'm talking about. That nobody understands that. And including family.
Hmm.
तो उस टाइम पे पॉजिटिव रहना इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट. लाइक आई वांट टू नो हाउ यू डिड इट. मेरे को तो पता है कि मेरा दिमाग में एक ही था बाहर में जाए. इवन इफ इट्स फैमिली मेरे को पता है मैं क्या करूँ.
Yeah, I used to watch a lot of these Sylvester Stallone films back then.
Rambo.
Yeah, he's always been my childhood hero.
Okay.
Rambo, Rocky. So, since I was a kid, my dad, we've grown up, I've grown up watching those films. And जब भी मुझे लगता था ना यार आज कुछ खा लेता हूँ, I should just see some clips of the film. Of him walking out and of like अब यही बनना है. अब ये बनना है.
ये
And I should look at that cookie and that biscuit and I should look at that butter chicken on my friend's feed. And I'm like, यार तू होगा मोटा यार, तू हो जा मोटा, मैं नहीं होऊंगा, मैं नहीं खाऊंगा आज. And I'm like, भरत भाई, sprouts ले आओ. So, I think watching these clips, I think it all goes back to your childhood, यार साहब. मेरे लिए तो. Like I relate to a lot of things that back at home with mom, dad, back when I was a kid. Certain movies, they are the movies that are really sticked on to me.
Huh.
They are the movies, they are some actors, they stay with you, man. So I think those मेरे childhood के जो थे ना, that those childhood memories, I bring them back during that
and you
period,
use it.
and I use it. I utilize that bit, okay, I used to play a lot of volleyball, I used to play a lot of cricket. So if I'm even feeling hungry, in that phase, if I feel like urging for something sugary or something with a lot of, heavier calories, I used to start doing sit-ups. I used to start doing dips.
Okay.
मैं push-ups मार लेता हूँ. Suddenly, बीच में कहीं मतलब रात को आता हूँ, I feel most hungry.
2-2.5 बजे.
हाँ, 2-2 बजे just before sleeping, I'm like, I've had my dinner at 9:30 now. अब 2 बज गए, I'm watching something, भूख लग गई, कुछ तो चटली वटली, कुछ तो घर पे होगा, खा लेता हूँ. No man, I stand up, I have little water, start doing dips. Heart rate goes up, suddenly भूख मिट जाती है. I don't know, work with me.
Okay, it works with you.
हाँ.
Like for me, I go down for a walk.
Go down for a walk. So that
Like मेरे को घर में ही सोचना ही नहीं है.
exactly. So again, walking is again a form of an exercise where it helps. That's some of it.
Actually, walking is like music चलता है. Mind divert करके वगैरह वो 20 मिनट walk कर ली ना, your heart rate also goes up. You feel good about yourself already. चल ठीक है कोई shower and sleep.
Correct. Correct.
तो ये जो any one fitness myth that worked for you.
A fitness myth that worked for me.
हाँ.
Work out early in the morning without having anything before your workout.
Okay.
Yeah, that worked for me. So on a hungry stomach, when you're hungry, if you work out, you lose a lot of calories, and it worked for me, man. Like I used to eat dinner at around 8:30, 9:30, and I used to get up at around sleep late again, sleep at 1 or 2, get up at 9, 10, go to the gym first thing, and then come back, have a bath, do all of that, and then go for lunch or have lunch basically. So that's around what 2 o'clock lunch.
हाँ.
तो kind of a intermittent हो जाता
अपने आप ही हो जाता है.
हाँ हो ही जाता था because after working out you don't feel hungry.
Yeah.
So
Very high on.
it's not a myth. It's not a fitness myth.
हाँ.
It is a fact. And that worked really well. You know, working out empty stomach, you do feel lazy and you feel your energy drops. Like you're not going to be able to do जितने reps आप कर सकते थे
हाँ.
उतना नहीं होता है, उतना वजन उठाया नहीं जाता है, उतना कार्डियो होता नहीं है.
Correct.
और जितना होता है it hits you hard.
Enough होता है.
Enough होता है. And it helps you burn faster, burn better. So that really works, but it's not a myth. Fitness myth, give me an example.
I'll tell you what, it's stupid. But it is. It works for me. So I don't take pre-workout or anything like that. I don't like it. मैं soy milk cranberry juice रहता.
Okay.
I read it somewhere or I heard it somewhere. I don't remember that also. कि आप cranberry juice लो ना तो muscle recovery fast होती है during workout.
Okay.
So I took
During workout?
During workout. So I took take 100 ml cranberry juice and 500 ml workout. ठंडा पानी. गर्म तो पीते हुए थे. 600 ml का मेरा वो during workout बन जाता. So I work out. Now I've finished my weights. I've finished my starting का workout cardio. उसके बाद I down that 300 250 ml जो बचा होता है.
Like a pre-workout.
Just to get a boost कि मेरे को अब और cardio करना है.
Correct. But that is
So that I don't know
It
for
works.
some reason it helps me get a 900 to 1000 calorie session.
wow. But that's not. I don't think that's a myth. That makes sense because you're having sugar. So if you're having, I'm assuming cranberry juice मतलब वही pack.
Pack वाला पर वो no added sugar वगैरह वाला वो सारा.
यार वो तो खैर.
I know,
हाँ.
but I heard it somewhere else. उसका कोई logic reasoning नहीं है.
But it does have some sort of sugar. I mean the cranberry itself has sugar.
Fructose तो
हाँ, fructose
होगा ही.
So I think the fructose boosts your energy levels up and that's why you're doing it.
100 में.
हो सकता है. I've not tried this, but मैं करूँगा जरूर.
नहीं, but that's what I'm saying. Something like this, it is idiotic, which there's no scientific thing, but works for me.
So I had a thing. I yet have a thing. It's a very, I don't know if I should say it on camera, but I have a very dirty habit. It's not a dirty habit. Again, it comes back from
So it comes to perspective.
not perspective also. It comes from childhood.
Okay.
मुझे घी बहुत पसंद है.
Okay.
So for some reason, I don't know, I have a ritual of having one entire spoon of ghee every night before I sleep. Kacha.
Kacha.
But it's frozen ghee. I can't have it like liquid also.
हाँ.
It's frozen ghee. I put a spoon, I dig it, and I just have a bite. And I don't know why. It doesn't make sense. I don't like the taste of it. It's not, nobody likes the taste of it. Exactly. Who has plain ghee?
Ah. I can imagine my father, but that's it.
I remember, so this went back again to my childhood where one day I had some event in school or something, some sports related thing. और मेरी मम्मी ने एक रात पहले, I don't know why, she gave me this spoon of ghee. And next day I went and I won every competition that there was. So it's got stuck in my head. If I have something big the next day, I have a spoon of ghee. And it's not even competition. Now it's every night. I have a spoon of ghee thinking कल का दिन बहुत अच्छा जाएगा, मेरा वर्कआउट अच्छा होगा, मैं सब हो जाऊंगा अच्छे से, सब अच्छा हो जाएगा.
तो वो एक चम्मच घी तुम्हें पूरी बॉडी की पॉजिटिविटी दे देता, पूरे वीक की.
Exactly. It is just in the head. Like it's in my head कि बस मैं खाऊंगा, कल बहुत ही amazing दिन जाएगा. I'm gonna be amazing at everything I do tomorrow just because this ghee. I'm gonna have a great motion in the morning. I'm gonna go to the gym and kill it. I'm gonna come back, enjoy my food. Everything is gonna be set. Just that spoon of ghee.
So basically, your own acceptance of what you want to do.
Yeah. Exactly. There's no logic behind this. It's just my acceptance to it. And I think everybody should have that one thing, which is bizarre, but which works for you, which makes you happy, which gives you confidence. कि यार सब सही होगा.
God. खुद के ही है ना एट द एंड ऑफ द डे कि यार मुझे क्या मिल रहा है.
Yeah.
इस चीज को करने से.
Correct.
एक चम्मच घी कहने में कह सकते हैं किसी हुई तो हो कायनात हुई. You know, it becomes your world at the end of the day. For me, that 100 ml, when I, like, it's not even funny that I put that 100 ml cranberry juice now. I feel so good.
याद होगा यार.
कि आज तो भाई वर्कआउट
तोड़ देंगे.
तोड़ देंगे. तो ये
Similar. और जिस दिन वो नहीं हुआ, bro, that day in the gym you are like, आज तो है ही नहीं, क्या करूँ भी या ना करूँ. So that again is basically your head.
हाँ.
It's not what cranberry juice say, again, as you said, it's bizarre.
Yeah.
But it works for you, right?
Yeah.
So do it.
No, that's the reason I don't all
Yeah.
every day. वो 100 ml cranberry juice में और वो मैं सुबह से दोपहर तक चल रहा है. I have food at 2 o'clock. So that's one चम्मच of ghee of your almost like that.
It's similar. Yeah. It's my calorie juice.
Into your calorie juice. Okay. It's very difficult for us to accept our habits. Like you said, smoking is one, drinking is another. कहते हैं वो चीज़ है. Then again, the habit of not eating the samosas to lose weight, stuff like that. When did you get this realization of that self acceptance of habits? कि यार ये नहीं करना, ये मेरी body के लिए ठीक है.
Yeah,
ये
it's,
नहीं करना.
I didn't. It's not. I didn't self-realize it. I mean, it's proven, right? Like if you keep having samosas every day, it's not going to help you or make you any better. I mean, it's comfort food. But so I think it's just. There wasn't a moment where I felt कि ये नहीं करना चाहिए, करना चाहिए. It's just reading, seeing other people do it. You know.
You would say comes from maturity. Like I would, like now knowing so much more about you, I think I would say it also comes from your background of athletics.
I'm sure.
Ki this is
ये
not
नहीं
for my
करना
body, this is not. Because then your mind is trained like that.
Correct.
You know, that is why I've always thought ये 5 मिनट में कैसे ट्रांसफॉर्म कर सकते हैं.
Correct.
मेरे से तो नहीं हो रहा.
Correct. No, that's also because I think I'm built in a way where since childhood I've been into athletics, so शायद वो काम कर रही है.
हाँ.
You know, even today, I don't regularly go to the gym now. But if I go and even if I do one set of some exercise, somebody has to come and tell me, यार क्या pump हो रहा है. तो I don't think that. I think it's maybe little bit of it is genetic. And little bit of it I'm sure comes from, again, childhood where started off so early. तो वो frame, वो muscle memory भी रहता है.
Yeah.
No, he's doing this, I have to get there. वो I think रहता है. It's not some instant realization I got के अब होने वाला है.
So you would like recommend people starting out at 10, 11 or no?
What?
For working out.
I don't recommend start. I think.
Like how you did. You did it for athletics, for shot put especially.
Right.
Like, but would you recommend weight training to start out for
It
younger?
depends on what you are aspiring to be, right? If you're aspiring to be into bodybuilding, then maybe starting off early. I don't know it proven. I don't have any knowledge.
Yeah, they are not
of a child should do.
talking. I'm talking about our opinion.
I think they should start early. Be it any sport. So if you're into cricket, and I see cricketers today like their children, 5-year-olds who are training, who are playing season ball cricket, 5-6-year-old, they have drives of what a Shubman Gill today has, you know.
Yeah.
So they also start off early. Obviously, they don't weight train because of their age, you know, not supposed to also. But if they start off at the right age, maybe a little before the right age that doctors would say, I think it stays with you. Your body starts accepting कि भाई इसने जल्दी शुरुआत तो की है, अब मैं रुकूंगा. You know, I think that frame of your body na is made at a very young age. I personally feel. Like I feel if you are if you're a big child, if you're somebody who's been obese in whatever, when they're 6 to 15, if you've been a fat boy or a fat girl, it's very exactly. That's the most difficult thing to reduce. It's not impossible. Everybody does it all the time.
I did it.
Exactly. You did it. Not of my other friends.
I got into cricket late.
Exactly. So not of my other friends.
13, 14 years old.
Correct. So a lot of my other friends have done it. But I think if at that time, if your parents control your urges, control your sugar, control everything, I think the frame of your body and the muscles in your body, even back there, they start adapting to that and they build accordingly. So then later on in life, when you put on a lot of weight, it becomes easier to get back there.
Correct.
Because your body knows कि तुम वहाँ थे.
हाँ, हम आ सकते हैं.
हम आ सकते. Like how you've lost a lot of weight because you've been there.
Yeah, but
if
now
you've never been there, it's going to be very difficult.
But now it's becoming very difficult.
That's because age. Metabolism.
हाँ, I'm 35 plus. तो पहले 2 बार जब किया 6 महीने में हो गया, साल भी हो गया.
That's whatever, 25.
हाँ, 22, 20, then 22, 26. Now at this right now, my body से ले
क्या कहता है?
नीचे भाई.
Correct.
I can't go and lift a 150 kg deadlift straight up now.
I tried doing that. I got a slip disc.
So I don't try it also.
Yeah.
I understood it very. You remember my leg workouts how they used to be?
Yeah.
100 किलो से मैं वार्म अप शुरू होता था कि चलो देखते कहाँ जाते हैं.
That's what I think age plays the only factor. Where your metabolism slows down, your body mind start telling you कि बाबा
हो गया.
धीरे चल बेटे, हो जाएगा पर धीरे-धीरे होगा. You can't be the 22-year-old going for a 5 kilometer run, coming back, eating healthy, again going for a 5 kilometer run, checking your weight, wow, I'm 3 kilos down. That doesn't happen, man. And it kills you, right? It kills you. It kills you. You're like, oh shit, I'm dead.
That is why I would say body positivity. भाई क्यों नहीं हो रहा है?
I know.
You know,
It's tough.
it goes off.
It gets tougher with age.
Yeah, and I am finding it very tough, honestly, because I can see कि अंदर बहुत मसल है, but ऊपर कितना ज़्यादा fat accumulate हुआ वो जा रहा है तो it just it creates.
But you have
that-
to only keep at it. I've realized with age, consistency is key, man.
Yeah.
Like initially हम लोग 5 दिन अच्छा खा लेते थे, 10 दिन वर्कआउट कर लेते थे, you can see a difference. अब नहीं होता है. अब डिफरेंस नहीं होता. अब हमें 10 महीने करने पड़ेंगे, 12 साल करने पड़ेंगे, तब जाके वो मेंटेन होगा. So it gets tough with age.
How much is outside validation important for you when it comes to being positive about yourself?
Outside validation, I think in today's time is genuinely very important. Genuine, not for me. I'm not talking about my part. In general, I'm saying I think it's very important because it makes a person happy. Simple. आज जाके मैं I see you after months. अरे यार क्या शेप में आ गया यार. You will instantly congratulate yourself for the difficult journey you've gone through to get there. And then when you get validated for it, it really makes you happy. So I think that it does play a big role. No matter people say that I don't care यार लोग क्या लोग तो बोलते रहेंगे जो भी है. नहीं यार. जब 10 लोग बोलते ना क्या तू मोटा हो गया है, तू घर जाके यार सोचता है कि हाँ यार मैं मोटा तो हुआ हूँ. कुछ भी बोल. It's so I think outside validation is very important. Outside validation isn't important for your life. It's important for you. Today, if you're big, but if you're healthy, if all your organs are working chaka-chak, you get your blood work is clean, sab theek hai. You're happy the way you are, doing a business somewhere. I don't see the point how any outside validation would affect you.
Yeah.
But again, it will make you happy. Kal jaake even at a business, if your colleague comes and says, यार अरु पतला हो गया है, अच्छा लग रहा है यार. Just अच्छा लग रहा है अरु also no.
Yeah.
Will make you feel. You think about
ego boost मिल जाता.
ego boost, self boost हो जाता है कि यार हाँ यार अच्छा तो लग रहा हूँ आज. 2 people have told me, किसी ने तो बोला है. Feel good. So it's all about feeling good.
How do you do that for yourself? बाहर से नहीं मिले तो.
Look into the mirror. Do this. यार क्या लग रहा है? That's a work. No. When you go back to bed, you're hungry. You're like खा लेता हूँ यार, कल अच्छा लगूंगा यार, आज नहीं अच्छा लग सकता. No, it doesn't work. But yeah, I think everybody should talk to themselves. I talk to myself a lot. Not like a madman, but in a way where I analyze things a lot. So that entire thing keeps running in my head. Ki, हाँ, I have had a week of junk eating, bad eating. I have to now get on to it. And also, if it's a medical thing, like a lot of people have, yeah, don't harm your body. Yeah. Don't go on diets where you're not eating for days together and water diet. I don't get these things. Again, don't harm your body. I think your body has to be treated with a lot of compassion. I personally feel your body has to be treated with a lot of compassion. You can't be harsh on it. I agree, it's your bad eating habits or whatever, even if it's a medical issue. ठीक है, है सो है. Doesn't mean you have to be harsh on yourself, is what I feel.
Okay, so just adding or getting to it, so what you're trying to say is be more in the present. अगर हो गया है तो ठीक है, आगे बढ़ो and go on improve. Like go on to resolve it rather than wallowing in the past कि मैं ये नहीं करता तो ये हो जाता.
Correct.
ये नहीं होता.
Correct. So, I'll give you an example. I have a couple of friends, couple of lady friends, couple of girls, ladies and stuff. So I have a couple of friends, women, who are suffering from a PCOD or a PCOS, and they are on meds, etc., etc. So I know some of them who are extremely strict with their diet, with their workout.
Yeah.
Again, it's a medical issue, and they are catering to it very well. And there are a few who yet have the alcohol, who yet have the junk, and then blame the disease. or blame the problem.
Hmm.
Like maybe the PCOD, yeah, clinical. Again, I'm not a doctor, but as far as I know, in general, if you are going through any medical problem,
I have to
think
cater to that
you have
first.
to cater to that. You can't, if the doctor tells you कि junk बंद करो, दारू बंद करो, you can't go once a week having daru and say यार मेरे को तो PCOD हो रही है, क्या पकड़ी नहीं हो रही.
No, I agree with you at that point because जब मैं एक साथ से पहुंचा ना और मुझे पता है ये थायराइड की वजह से हुआ.
Thyroid is correct. I was getting that.
The first thing I
Started blaming. You start blaming thyroid.
no, I started blaming myself first कि मैं ढंग से खाता तो थायराइड नहीं होता.
Correct.
Then the doctor told me कि नहीं, thyroid is a side effect from COVID.
Correct.
So COVID triggers something genetic in me.
A lot of people have. A lot of people have got thyroid.
So first was alopecia. I started losing hair.
Right.
And the first time COVID, second time COVID was thyroid. The first thing, my mom, because her mom can be your greatest critic, but at the same time love you the most.
Of course.
She said, ki, work on yourself first. So we went to a doctor. Allopathic to कोई इलाज नहीं है, सारा thyroid everything how. But she took me to a what do you call Ayurvedic doctor. So she gave me some stuff to eat in the morning, night. I was very strict. Eventually, in 7 months, I didn't lose much weight. मुश्किल से 4 kg. But my thyroid TSH levels came down. My T4, T3 went very controlled, and eventually 8 महीने लगे thyroid ठीक कर.
Correct.
उसमें weight loss नहीं हुआ, but उसके बाद weight loss शुरू हुआ.
Correct.
So there I understood for the fact that first time actually prove हो जाता है.
Correct. You cater to the problem.
Yeah.
You didn't consider yourself.
I was like wait for the पहले thyroid ठीक करता because
Correct.
it was the first actual shock to me कि disease हुआ.
But tell me, which time when you were controlling the thyroid with this, weren't you also keeping a strict thing on your diet?
Obviously,
You have to.
everything.
You can't be sitting at home having thyroid, eating rubbish and say मेरे को thyroid. That's not going to help you. That's not going to help anyone.
8 o'clock के बाद there was no dinner. There was no there were food restrictions. No cabbage, no cauliflower. मतलब
I'm sure.
Offend.
हाँ.
तो वो सारा का सारा first thing I give it to my cook.
Correct.
तो she looked at me भैया
क्या बनाऊँ?
हाँ भैया जो भी दादी देते हो.
Correct. Correct. I have to cure this.
Yeah,
That is the right way of being, right? If you have a medical issue, cater to that first. You can't just sob at home, having all the comfort food, stuffing in more, saying that now I have a medical
No.
problem. Everyone's got it. Every second person I know has something or other. I have asthma. Okay. I can't run much. I start panting more than usual people because I have severe asthma. Doesn't mean I'm sitting at home and thinking, should I have asthma? I can never run. No. I have to make my lungs capable enough of running a certain amount. I have to cater to the problem to improve. I started swimming regularly recently because the doctor said swimming really helps in, improving.
Is the best thing to do.
Exactly. So you have to cater to the problem. That's the topic. So
Yeah.
I think if you cater to the problem, everything just fits in well later.
When did you realize that you need this balance? Was there a thing?
When
Or
did it- sorry.
you need this balance.
Off
कि
balance.
balance of catering to the problem, knowing what to do. वो कहते हैं what I mean to say is कि was there any time or moment in your life when you felt कि मुझे balance approach रखनी है तब जाके कुछ होगा?
So my dad was a doctor. I mean, he is no more, but he was a doctor. So he always had this thing that in life, everything should have balance. From your diet to your studying to your everything in life has to have a balance. If you're studying 24 hours a day, that's all you're going to fall sick. You have to study whatever. You study for 5 hours a day, you do your exercise for 2 hours a day, you go out with your friends an hour a day. Keep everything in balance and you'll be really happy with your life. Similarly with your diet. When I used to say to Papa, my diet कर, he used to hate it. He used to hate it the most. Saying, क्या है ये keto, ये सब मत कर. Eat in limits, balance. If you're having too much of something, it's going to cause problems. We cannot keep eating chicken. There'll be no fiber. You cannot keep eating dal.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to have balance. That's why we say we have a balanced diet. The word balance. So I think to me, the word balance came from my father, where he kept telling me have a balance in life for everything.
हाँ, एक जरूरी नहीं है उस चीज़ के लिए.
Even like from your diet to your lifestyle to the friends you're with, you have to balance out your day, you have to balance out your needs, you have to balance out everything.
Okay. How do you cut down noise? especially social media. I'm hitting the topic. ये social media क्या करे?
Social media is here to stay, man.
It is there.
Yeah, social media is here to stay, and I think the only way to cut out the noise is cut out the what do you call it? Cut out the negative pages and people that you follow. I think find the snake and kill it type of thing where there's certain people who speak well on your face, speak bad on your back. I might be like, okay, I'm looking good, yeah. You're looking damn good, and then they go to someone else and say, "कितना मोटा हो गया है? He's lost his stuff." नहीं है. So I think it is just social media. तो social media is a dangerous place. It's uh, it's a never-ending story, man. It's difficult to cut out the noise, to be honest. But if I see something that's disturbing in anything, be it bullying, be it a rape, be it hitting a dog or anything, I either just scroll through it like ASAP. I'm not somebody who will report it and comment. I'm not that guy. I prefer not watching these things and focusing on positive things and baby videos and stuff like that. Things that make me happy.
Of course.
So I think the only way to cut off the noise is segregate it. Like this, differentiate between what you love, what versus what you don't. Don't even watch what you don't like. Man. That's what I think. That I think works. But something that I don't like, you might love.
Maybe.
Something that you might like, I might not like.
So what works for you?
Exactly.
Image.
So you can't cut the noise, but you can reduce it.
Tone it down. Okay. One more thing that I really wanted to get on. Do you think men are now opening up to have open conversations? Especially about these topics like body positivity हो गया, mental health हो गया, physique के बारे में हो गया, अपनी खुद की body के बारे में हो गया. Or are we still
Held back.
held back?
No, I think men have opened up about all of this. Yeah, I think they really have. At least I have. Like I talk about my experiences with everybody. I talk about my mental health with my closest friends. I have been. I wouldn't use the word depressed. I think everybody in life at a certain level of has had a certain level of being depressed. It's just stages, right? People who go through therapy and all of that, there's severe levels of depression.
And I think therapy, okay, that is very scientific, I would call it. This is first time I'm talking about it, but I have been through that.
Okay.
I was there for a year and a half. But for me, it was key. Like you do your self introspection. I used to do it. I used to get certain thoughts. I'm like, ये मेरे लिए है. I will not think like this. But ये thought क्यों है? So I actually went to learn how to segregate. This is mine. This is circumstantial. This is given by friends. This is given by my work.
Right.
Because as actors, we get affected by a lot of things and we don't realize it. I think that therapy also started helping me in acting.
It does.
How to compartmentalize things.
Right. I've heard that.
So I went to therapy for that reason. कि समझो कि मेरा क्या है और दूसरों का कौन सा ले रहा हूँ.
Right. You went to reduce the noise daily.
Yeah. Because I was getting frustrated.
Right.
But ये चल क्या रहा है?
Correct.
When I'm alone, I'm thinking this. When I'm with people, I'm
Something
thinking
else.
totally out of the question. So that is what I was. For me, that was like, and from there I learned more about body positivity than anything else. कि भैया नॉइस को कम जब करते हो ना तो खुद को नजर आने लगता है. That is what helps me out. So I would like to know what helps you out.
Nothing in specific. I think it's just talking to myself. Yeah.
This coming mindfulness in childhood thing that you say कि मैं बचपन से कर रहा हूँ.
Yeah, it's just talking to myself, and I've just there's nothing in specific that's really helped me in that way. It's just talking to myself, knowing that if I need to get there, I have to be this. Just that aim or that mission that I have to reach, I have to be in a specific way to reach there. And the day the mission changes, if I decide that this is not what I want to do anymore, I will not have that there. Because I won't, my profession won't require it. My mind won't need it, because then I'll be happily eating and doing whatever I want to. But right now, I think since I am in a profession where looks are important, apart from obviously acting and all of that, looks are important. No matter what people say,
नहीं
like
बोलूँगा.
होता है यार, हम बोलने की बात है. But
Even in business, like when I walk into a meeting which is terms of business, people look at me differently. It's only when I start talking, they'll go, "Jogging, what you're talking about?"
100%.
But they judge you from
From from the clothes you wear, from the way you comb your hair to how you're dressed up, all of that, yeah, it counts. So I've not had a reason, I've not had a specific time or something that's helped me through this, through that time basically. It was just self introspection and stuff.
awareness.
Awareness, yeah, that's about it.
That will work for you.
It worked. I'm strong-headed in that way, so yeah,
Experiences of your life and
of course,
you
100%.
molded you to
100%.
Okay, just to, I always want to ask this. Do you think that body positivity, this is a question which I'm going to ask in every podcast. Body positivity should be a subject in school
100%.
more than anything else.
Oh, I don't know about
Only actually not about I'm not about
but there has to be at least, I don't know about a subject, but I think
or a
body,
segment.
yes, body positivity has to have. There should be classes for it. There should be something where a tutor talks to children about it, tells them how to be confident in whatever size, shape, color they are. As I said, it's about treating your body with compassion, not being rough with it, and accepting. Self acceptance is the main damn thing. So I think there has to be a segment or certain times. How we used to have sex ed in school.
Yeah.
It used to be whatever 1 or 2 lectures a year.
But-
At least in 5 schools.
हाँ.
Body positivity के बारे में तब तो कुछ था ही नहीं. Nobody told us anything about it. Nobody even in fact even therapy. I think these things should be taught in school. Children at the age of 13, 14, 15 should be aware कि ये सब होता है. बाद में पता चलता है. All these kids get to know when they hit the social media, when they have their mobiles. आजकल तो 10 साल के बच्चे के पास मोबाइल. And I'm sure, depression earlier used to hit at whatever 20, 18. Now it's going to start hitting at 12 and 10 because they're open to social media and all of that.
Exposure also.
Exposure ज़्यादा हो गई. But I think these subjects have to be discussed. Have to.
Fair enough. Uh, 3 words. What is Merzan's body positivity or comfort? And why?
Mirzan's body positivity is about
Or self positivity, however you want to call it.
3 words.
3 words and why?
So सुन रहे हैं.
सोच ले टाइम है.
Mirzan's body positivity about 3 words. For me, body positivity is self-acceptance, being compassionate to your body, no matter what size, shape, color you are. Just love it, be compassionate, be kind to it. Be amazing. Yeah.
I like the last.
Yeah.
Be amazing.
Yeah.
So I would like to thank you, especially for taking our time and coming here and talking about this. यानी इस टॉपिक को ना लोग एड्रेस नहीं करते और एड्रेस करते भी हैं तो बिफोर आफ्टर के उसमें करते बीच वाला सब खा जाते हैं.
Yeah, I would want to conclude saying one thing. ये जो बीच वाला journey है, it's tough. No doubt, it's very tough. But you can easily do it. You can easily. Anyone can do it. It's just consistency. And don't think I have reached a phase मैं नहीं कर पाऊंगी. This नहीं word ना, especially in our segment. Anybody can do it. I'm telling you, you are whatever 35 post 35.
No.
You can do it. You can get back to what you were when I met you 15 years ago. You can get back to there in a year.
Yeah, I know.
In
I
a
just have
year.
to get the
Max. I'm saying max.
max.
अगर थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर हाथ मार भी लिया ना 1 साल लगता है 1 साल लगता है.
I don't do that.
So I'm concluding saying the journey before after के बीच का journey है बहुत difficult है और नाम के लिए.
Now, and मेरे को करने मतलब I should be good about it, feel good about it.
You will.
Yeah, of course.
You will.
I'm not saying, but
Initial days obviously are tough.
हाँ.
कोसोगे खुद को भी क्या क्यों कर रहा हूँ. Once you start seeing a little bit of result, once, as you said, outside validation, once that one friend comes up to you and says, I can see a change, bro, your heart and brain will start beating. They beat and sink. I'm doing it. That kicks you. And once that hits you, you're going to reach your goal easily.
Fair. Yeah.
Thank you guys. Thank you.